The goal was to create a 15-foot solid roadway that would not wash out in a future flood. We did this a couple of ways. One was to excavate on the uphill side of the existing lane all the way to bedrock, and then fill that up with flow fill, and we called it BYOB, which was build your own bedrock. They harvested smaller rock as well, and instead of purchasing riprap for use in the canyon, they used the rock that was already existing in the canyon. This project was a zero waste project. We eliminated over 1,300 metric tons of greenhouse gas emissions through the reuse of materials and the use of materials from nearby sites. It's a steep canyon. It's very narrow confines. There was a lot of design balance that had to be struck between the desire to improve the river and yet maintain a roadway. Additionally, there was safety aspects to the roadway that were added. We added a 4-foot uphill shoulder for bicyclists. I would like to thank CDOT for the opportunity for myself to work on the project and my firm to work on it. It was a great project and we're proud of it.